All right, guys, today we're going to be using the HyperClean Impress. It is interior cleaner and conditioner. Just need to wipe down my leather seats and maybe some of the panels. I've already done a vacuum on it. I'm going to be putting it into the bottle here, and let's try it out. I've never tried it before. All right, guys, so I can tell you, it smells like it's a familiar smell. Some kind of cleaning agent that I've used before. I don't know, for the house or for something. But I've smelled that before. Nothing good. So, not horrible, but I've just some type of cleaning product. All right, guys, it says it's for leather, vinyl, plastics. Apply it to the area, lightly agitate, wipe away. Cleans, protects UV protection, and helps prevent cracking. So let's try it out. Looks pretty good, guys. Yeah, it feels good. Nice. Okay, guys, it works really good with the brush, and that's like a big, wide, soft bristle. So not even anything hard on there, but a little bit of agitation, it works really well. I'm gonna try it just with the towel on its own, spraying the towel, wiping it in, flipping the towel, rubbing it. Okay guys, I definitely didn't expect it to do such a great job on the floor mats. They feel dry, not slippery. They look fantastic. Very happy with that one. Alright guys, so what'd you think of the video? You know, I did it on the leather seats. I scrubbed it in with a soft brush. I used just a towel with no agitation. Both ways work fantastic. It's pretty fast. It can, I don't want to say it foams up, but it can lather up, you know, a bit. It's kind of a milky substance. I don't know how to explain it. And this stuff cleans really well. The way it leaves it looking is not a shiny look, but more of a, it says conditioner, and that's what it does. It conditions, but it leaves it like with a nourished look. So a little bit darker, you know, I don't want to say like refreshed. It's not about like a refreshed, brand new, clean look. It's a nourished look, darker, more rich, and it's fantastic, I tell you. So the cool thing was, you know, I use it on the door panels, using the dash, the leather, plastics, the vinyls. Works on everything. But then I pulled out the floor mats, and these are made of something rubber, plastic, and vinyl all in one. I don't know. I really like these ones because they just keep everything in there. When I pull them out or vacuum them, I can just dump them out, and they hold everything really well. But they get dirt on them and dust. So this, I just emptied the stuff out of it, the leaves, and I didn't even clean them with like an APC or anything. Because why? Because this stuff cleans. So I just sprayed, I did a 50-50 for you guys, and I just wiped it down. Fantastic. Cleaned it and deepened, nourished, rejuvenated look. Then I did the whole thing. Fantastic. I put my hand on there. Not really greasy. I mean, there's something on there, but it's not greasy. And I put it back in, and I put back the car up. I kind of ran my feet on it, and I didn't feel anything major. It feels cleaner, you know, and a little bit of nourishing product in there. I don't feel it super slippery. So I think that was successful. I think you guys try this out. Impressed by HyperClean. I liked it. Ready to use. Put it in a bottle. Spray away, agitate, wipe. Spray away, don't agitate, wipe. It's really good, guys. Really good. Does a fantastic job. Doesn't smell anything great, but doesn't smell bad either when you're using it. Just doesn't smell like anything. So talk to you guys later. Let me know if you try this, what you think in the comments.